Good morning. I wanted to share a haul with you today. I did an online order with Rosie Studio and I got some dies and I got some like die cuts and some stamps. So let's get started. First I'm going to show you all the mini dies that I got. So they have some really cute mini dies and they're pretty reasonably priced. The first one I got is this one right here. It's like a little stamp, super cute. Then I got, the whole reason why I went there was because of this, because I love little baby deer and I just had to have that. Look how cute the little hearts on it. And then this one says hello. And this adorable little house. This rainbow. And I like it because you can cut out the different colors for the rainbow, and then also you can make like the clouds white, so it's just like not all one color. And this cute little fox. And I like how it also has like embossing in addition to being cut. And then this little typewriter. I think this will be cute to like cut it out in black cardstock and put gold underneath it to show like the keys and such. We'll see. Or even like mint green and gold, or like light pink and gold. And then I got these stamps. So these are part of, they have like little collections, and this is part of the Clover Lane collection. I just love woodland animals. I think they're so cute. My Christmas tree, like my whole Christmas decorations is woodland animals. This one is floral die cuts, and this is the Field Notes collection. So like lots of little mushrooms and stuff. This is the Take Flight collection. Oh, you know what? Oh, look, on the back it shows you all the little cutouts. This one is Take Flight. And here's all the little cutouts. So it's got some sentiments and rainbows and tags and vacay. Chasing butterflies. Stillwater. These are going to be really cute on embellishments. This one is from the Clover Lane collection. This one's called Lucky Me. This one's called Daisy Chain. I love this one for summer. This one's called Soul Shine. I love that bird. This would be fun for summer. This one's called Briarwood. This one's pretty. Look at her. Oh, look at that sweet little baby right there. This one's called Field Notes. Look at the gnome riding the snail. That is so cute. I got a Christmas one. This one's called Rudolph and Friends. For those Christmas in July projects coming. They'll be coming so fast, we won't know what hit us. I can't believe it's like it's already going to be April. It's crazy. It was just Christmas the other day. Make a splash. Oh, look at that cute narwhal. Dream in color. This one has like unicorns and birthday cakes, cats. Cute, cute, cute. I got a lot of these. I didn't realize how many I got. This one is Seize the Day, Carpe Diem. Gorgeous florals in this one. Butterflies. Look at that gold zebra. I love that. This is, I think I might have got 2 clover lanes because I thought it was so cute. Yeah, I got 2 of them. This one is Salt and Sunsets. So it's kind of like a pastel, floral, nautical. Mimosa Sunday. This one has a lot of sentiments in it. Oh, look at those little bears. Those are cute. Oh my gosh, look at the avocado toast. That's so cute. Let's see. Then also from Clover Lane, I got the journaling spots. Here's what those look like. And I got Chasing Butterflies journaling spots. Then I got a few stickers. This is from the Clover Lane collection. And another, what is this? Oh, these are chipboard and embossed stickers. Then from the Daisy Chain collection, I got dimensional embellishments. These are so pretty. Forever My Friend, Let Your Light Shine, Follow Your Dreams. Then I got, what is this one called? These are chipboard embellishments, and it actually is two-sided, so. And then it also has some on this side. And finally I got a paper pad, 6x6 paper pad, and this is from the Dream in Color collection. So let's see. Oh, I got one more thing that I forgot. I got more die cut shapes. This is from the Arabesque collection. I love that black dress. Whoops. So that is what I got from Rosie Studio. I would go over there if I were you guys. They have some really cute stuff, and their things are like reasonably priced. Yeah, so that's my haul for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you'll like this video and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care. Bye-bye.